Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I get my best twist out and my favorite products I'm currently loving to achieve it. I'm going to start off by sectioning off my hair. Starting from the back, I'm lightly spritzing my hair with my favorite leave-in spray by Khalida Naturals. I don't want to spray my hair too much, just a little bit to make my hair more pliable and ready to receive more moisture. Once that's applied, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite moisturizers right now, and that is the Almond Twisting Butter by Camille Rose. And then I seal that in with oil from Khalida Naturals as well. When that's applied, I twist my hair like normal, making sure to smooth my hair with every rotation. I already moisturized and sealed this section, so I'm going to show you the second way I like to twist my hair to get more volume. I take a small section from the top and twist. Then I continue adding hair to the twist from the bottom until there's none left. Once there isn't any hair left, I just twist as normal. This is just essentially a flat twist, and this is my favorite way to twist my hair because it allows me to get the volume that I like in my twist outs. My hair is pretty fine, so the more volume for me, the better. This method creates more defined individual sections, which gives me more volume. It does take a little bit more time, but the end results are totally worth it to me. Let me show you one more time what this looks like up close. Like I said, it's essentially just a flat twist. It's a lot easier to do than it is to explain, trust me. Before I take down my hair, I like to coat my fingertips with a little bit of oil to minimize frizz. And then I gently start unraveling my hair. As you can see, my hair is looking super shiny and defined, which is why I love these products that I'm using. And the key for me is to start on stretched hair. I used to apply heat to my hair to get these results, but then I started noticing the damage over time, so I don't do that anymore. I just braid my hair to stretch it, and I get the same results. here I'm showing you the difference between the two methods that I showed you. And these are the final results. I hope that this video helps you achieve the perfect twist out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.